started a business.
Obviously not a cleaning business.
No, I'm making flower barrettes, see? I called them penny blossoms. I made one for myself, and then all the girls at work wanted one. And then I showed some to this lady who runs a shop in Old Town. She sells cards and homemade jewelry. She said she wanted to sell them. I said, okay. And in 1 week, I made $156. So what do you think? I mean, this could be a business, right?
How many of these can you make a day?
About 20.
And how much profit do you make per penny blossom?
I don't know, like 50 cents? I'm not sure.
No, of course you're not. All right. $10 a day times 5 days a week times 52 weeks a year is $2,600.
That's all?
Before taxes.
Well, I don't have to pay taxes on this stuff.
I believe the Internal Revenue Service would strongly disagree. But if you took advantage of modern marketing techniques and you optimized your manufacturing process, you might be able to make this a viable business.
There, done.
All right. 12 minutes and 17 seconds.
Oh, pretty good, right?
That's 4.9 penny blossoms per hour. Based on your cost of materials and your wholesale selling price, you'll effectively be paying yourself $5.19 a day.
A day?
There are children in a sneaker factory in Indonesia who out-earn you.
That just can't be right.
You're questioning my math?
No, sorry.
Would you like me to show my work?
Oh, God, no. Just please tell me what to do about it.
All right. Are you familiar with the development that resulted from Honoré Blanc's 1778 use of interchangeable parts? The assembly line, of course. I'll sing you a song.
Give me some time to blow the man down.
Hello?
Hello?
The break of the poop.
Give me way, hey, blow the man down.
Or I'll help you along with the toe of my boot.
Give me some time to blow the man down.
What's going on?
I assume you're referring to the sea shanty. That's a rhythmic work song designed to increase productivity.
Yeah, it's crazy, but it totally works. Look, we made this penny blossom in under 3 minutes.
Hold on. What are you using as a bonding agent?
Hot glue.
You're kidding. Any of the cyanoacrylates would do a better job.
It won't work. The flour's too porous.
What if we infused the bottom layer with silicone RTV to provide a better mounting surface?
Intriguing.
Good question. What are your marketing and distribution channels?
Well, there are the waitresses at my work and this cute little shop in Old Town.
Hush. Virtually non-existent. I'm thinking that we set her up with a hosted turnkey e-commerce system to start.
Why not eliminate the middleman? We could install a small server farm with a static IP in her bedroom.
She'll need some kind of industrial cooling system. Look! Mrs. Fiona Fondell from Huntsville, Alabama has ordered 2.
No kidding, 2?
Uh-huh. Look at the comments.
Thank you, penny blossoms. These will be perfect to cover my bald spots. Aww. That is so sweet.
Camouflaging bald spots. That's primarily a male concern. Perhaps we could expand our market.
How are flower barrettes going to appeal to men?
We add Bluetooth.
Brilliant. Men love Bluetooth.
Wait a minute. You want to make a hair barrette with Bluetooth?
Penny, everything is better with Bluetooth.
Wait. Why does it say one-day rush? Since when do we offer a one-day rush?
Amazon offers one-day rush.
Yeah, but they don't have to glue the books together. How the hell are we going to make 1,000 penny blossoms in 1 day?
Don't yell at me. I'm not manufacturing. I'm just web design. I can't believe we actually did it.
1,000 friggin' penny blossoms.
I just want you guys to know I am really grateful for your help, and for every dollar I make, I'm going to give you 20 cents.
That's your entire profit margin.
Oh, then never mind.